Hello viewers, let's prepare village style yummy tomato pickle. Ingredients needed: tomatoes, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, dry chilies, garlic, cumin seeds, chili powder, tamarind, and any cooking oil. Wash and chop the tomatoes into small pieces and set them aside. Heat 6 tablespoons oil in a pan and add the tomato pieces. Now add salt according to your taste, or here approximately 100 grams of rock salt is added. If you feel the salt is not sufficient, we can balance it at the end. Mix it properly. Cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes on medium to high flame. Now add tamarind to the tomato mixture. Cook for another 15-20 minutes on low to medium flame. Stir occasionally to avoid burning. Close the lid and don't forget stirring. Fry until soft and mushy. Once done, turn off the flame and allow the tomato and tamarind mixture to cool down. Now dry roast mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds in a pan until they turn slightly brown and allow the roasted spices to cool down. Grind them into a fine powder using spice blender. Now take tomato and tamarind mixture and grind it to a smooth paste. In a separate pan, heat 200 ml oil and add 4 tablespoons of mustard seeds and 4 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Keep the flame on medium. After 30 seconds, add garlic and let it fry until golden brown. Add dry chilies and fry them for few seconds. Add tomato and tamarind paste to the oil. Mix it evenly. Now keep the flame on low and add the spice mixture to the paste. Spice mixture meaning chili powder 50 grams, mustard and fenugreek powder. Mix it well and turn off the flame. Let it cool down to room temperature and transfer it to an airtight container. Keep it in refrigerator up to 3 months. Dear Girls Dairy family members, I know this pickle is very tasty, but don't overeat. Once in a while is fine. Occasionally you can eat it. Stay healthy, eat healthy. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.